How to change Discord status on Android mobile. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Play Store or App Store in the case of iOS device. In the search bar, search for Discord. In here, check for an update. If not, simply tap on the open button provided to you. To change your Discord status on your Android mobile, just click on the U option at the bottom. As you can see, I already have a status. Click on Edit Status to change it. Then, enter the status that you wish for. You'll be able to select the status duration. I'll be selecting Clear in 4 days. And just like that, the status of Discord has been changed. If you cannot have this function, check for an update or fix the bug. For that, press and hold onto your Discord app and head to App Info. Force stop it, head over to Storage and Cache and clear it up. If this does not work, you need to check for an update of Discord. To do so, all you have to do is open up your Play Store and check for an update. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.